Hello friends, today I shall discuss with you how generative artificial intelligence completely cover the market and how you accelerate your technical coding life cycle. Yes, I'm Devashish Shekdar, and today I shall show you how you will use GitHub Copilot and how you accelerate your code. And if you are really facing any kind of the challenges regarding coding point of view, so nothing to worry, the GitHub Copilot just bring the utmost solution for you. And that Copilot, I just want to show you the small demo, how you will use GitHub Copilot, how to configure, and how to write your Java classes. You can implement your any kind of the Java classes, any kind of the .NET, Python, so any kind of a programming technological concept you can apply based on the GitHub Copilot. So let's explore that. And very quickly, I'm showing you the small demo for that. Friends, so this is my Visual Studio Code. And you can see I have created a small demo project. So in the demo project, I shall show you the how to configure your GitHub Copilot and how to write your Java classes. So before that, before start some practice some Java classes, you have to be configure your extension. So how you will configure your extension? So that is, you have to be write GitHub Copilot. Yes. Now sometimes it's taking time due to some net issue might be. So in GitHub Copilot, you can see once it will come, then you can see that. So it is now not showing any kind of the install because already I have configured in GitHub Copilot and GitHub Copilot chat in my system. So once you can click the GitHub Copilot, you can see that kind of scenario. So you have to be installed like that. Now it's showing as I installed because I already configured that in my Visual Studio Code. And according as per your requirement, you can go for the multiple tool based on the GitHub Copilot. So once you configure the GitHub Copilot, you can see that github.com. Okay, so you have to be click here. And so you can see that GitHub, that website from here, you have to be registered with your credential because while you work on the GitHub Copilot, you have to be configure your github.com first. Okay, once you have a proper credential based on your GitHub repository, then you are able to configure your GitHub Copilot. So once you register, you done. From that, you can see that is features preview. In the features preview, there are multiple options are there. Okay, so you have to make as enable, and this one is for in my system is by default is a disable, but other things I make as a enable. Okay, so that you have to be do some proper enable properly, and you can close it. And if you want to see your GitHub Copilot properly configured or not, then you can see that your Copilot. Once you click the Copilot, so you can see that already I opened my browser. You can see that GitHub Copilot in my repository is already get configured properly. Okay, so now come to the Visual Studio Code. Let's explore here. So in Visual Studio Code, you can see that is my demo 1 project. And in demo 1, let's say I'm creating one small project that is new file. I can create the final count words. One of the new project I'm going to create for that final count words. Let's see. Yeah. So from here, you have to be just write me on that counts the number of words in a string. Once GitHub Copilot just given the understand, because I have given the part to the class name, and automatically Copilot can understand what kind of scenario you want to implement. Just you have to make as accept. Okay. Once accept is done, then it will be get properly in placed. Okay. After that, you can put as enter if you want to write something. Okay. Then you can put some proper example. Otherwise, you can come in here and just keep entering here and wait for a few seconds. Automatically, you can see that GitHub Copilot has written your code within fraction of second. Now, while you write the code, it will take at least 10 to 15 minutes or half an hour. You can see as per the logic capability. But GitHub Copilot, they has given the ultimate solution for you. Okay. So now you can just click as accept, and I just modify hello world, and I just modify, okay, hello world. This is my GitHub Copilot small demo program. Sorry. Yeah. So that is my, now we can see that hello world, and this is my GitHub Copilot small demo program. So once you write the code, just make it safe, and you can do some run Java. Yes, now we can see number of words of string is 11. So we can count the how many characters are there. Okay. So now in here, suppose if you want to write some part to the test cases for that, so how we'll do that? Let's quickly explore here and just write test. Yeah. So you can see that already my classes has created. From there, now you can just write me a JUnit. Yeah. Test case for final counts word program. Yeah. Just friends, you have to remember, you have to give some proper context, what you want to achieve based on your class or any kind of the Java program whenever you write for that. Okay. The test should be test of the count words in a string. Now, just put as enter. So we have to be make as a test classes. So, sometimes it takes some time to understand, because if you don't define properly, it took some time. Let me do that again. Accept. Now enter. Let's see how that gives a response. Yeah. Now it's came properly, I guess. Okay. Put as accept. Yeah. Now you have to be define some test classes. Quick import test and assert equals. You have to give some import for that. Okay. All right. So friends, now you can see that how quickly I've written some code, right? And if you just test that, you can see that they're having some error. That expected 10 and I've given actually 11. Close that. Yes, that is 10 and come here. So now you can see that output demo console. Yeah, my Java classes are properly passed. Okay. So now you can see that how quickly I have generated the code, right? I no need to waste my time that much and how accelerate my Java code. Okay. So that is a just I want to see there were some lot of technical will be there. You have to do some analysis, but I just want to show you the how you accelerate your Java code and accelerate your programming knowledge. Okay. So that is very interesting thing. If you want to explore, you can do it, practice yourself. And why I'm discussing with you, friends. Okay. So all kind of the AI technology is coming to the market and it's completely covered already the market. So the root is a cloud computing. So friends, here I am providing some kind of cloud computing solution. Okay. Because if you don't have a proper cloud computing knowledge, so how you achieve your multiple AI technologies? Okay. How you achieve the so many as a multiple as per your requirement. Because if you are a Java developer, if you are a .NET developer, you should have some cloud computing knowledge. Otherwise, it will be quite bit challenging to survive in the market. Right. So that's the reason I am providing few solutions for you. I am providing multiple courses. That is AWS DevOps and AWS Solution Architect. So if you are really interested to explore that this kind of cloud computing knowledge, I am here to help you because I have a 16 years of experience and I know that what kind of challenges people can face. And I have a real life experience on that I want to share with you. Okay. So how to troubleshoot, okay, what kind of complexity you can face and how to overcome all the scenario based on AWS Solution Architect and AWS DevOps. Okay. So if you're really interested, so please click on the link below. There are a particular Google form and TopMate link, whatever link you are comfortable. You can fill up that. You can book a schedule and you can directly reach to me. Okay. So I'm here to help you to discuss with you and explore the more cloud technology knowledge. That's all for today, friends. Thank you all.